Welcome to another lecture on correct use of pronouns. To use pronouns correctly in your writing, you will need to understand how to use correct pronouns in sentences, make pronouns agree with their antecedent and make pronoun references clear. But first, what is an antecedent? An antecedent is the word that a pronoun indicates in the sentence. Example, Chelsea finished her presentation. Personal pronouns change case in sentences. As we know that personal pronouns change form depending on the role they play in sentences or case, that is whether they are the subject, the object or showing ownership. Here we have a table showing how pronouns change forms. For example, for first-person singular, the pronoun I will be used as subject, the pronoun me will be used as object and the pronouns my and mine will be used in possessive case. For second-person singular, the pronoun you is used as subject as well as object, while the pronouns your and yours are used for possession. And the list goes on. We need to see how we can use the pronoun for subjects, objects, and possessive case correctly. First, let us see how pronoun as subject are used correctly. The sentence us students are learning essay writing is wrong because us is used as object of the verb not subject. The correct sentence would be this: me and the other students are studying. Now coming to how pronouns are used as objects. The sentence, the Excellence Award recognized she and the team, is incorrect because she cannot be used as an object of the verb because it is a pronoun that is used as subject of a verb. So the correct form would be, the Excellence Award recognized the team and her. Now look at pronouns for possession. We have a sentence here, the computer and programs are yourselves, which is quite wrong because it is a reflexive pronoun. So the correct sentence would be the computer and programs are yours. Then we will see the correct case for relative pronouns who, whom, and whose. So we use who and whom for people, which for things, and that for people or things. Whose can be used for people, animals, or things. For example, the man whose daughter won the tournament is a tennis coach. A dog whose owner lets it run loose may cause an accident. In the first example, whose is being used to describe the man, while in the second example, whose is being used for an animal. Now we will see how to make pronouns agree with their antecedent. We have a sentence here: every student must have their ID cards displayed. This sentence is wrong because the pronoun there is not agreeing to its antecedent every student because every student is used as singular here in order to focus on the individuality of the students. Otherwise every can be used both in singular and plural ways. Hence, the correct sentence is every student must have his or her ID cards displayed. We also need to make pronoun references clear. For example, we have a sentence, the teacher told the student that he had changed his password. This sentence is ambiguous because we do not get who changed the password. And whose password? The student or the teacher? To make it clear we can write the teacher said that he had changed the student's password. That is all for today.